Hi Masters, ito yung mga bawal dalhin sa loob ng eroplano or prohibited items on airplanes. Itong photo na to galing to sa King Abdulaziz International Airport or Jeddah Airport. Pero halos lahat ng airport pare-pareho lang Masters basta member sila ng IATA or International Air Transport Association. Halos lahat ng airline ay member dito. So Masters, ito yung mga bawal. Blades, toxic liquids, compressed gases, army knives, meat cleavers, firearms and ammunition and replicas. Yung mga toy gun, bawal po yun, Masters. Explosives, ice skates, baseball bats, knives, nail accessories, tool, corrosive, radioactive materials, and scissors. Ito yung mga bawal dalhin sa loob ng eroplano or bawal i-hand carry. Kung mapapansin nyo, Masters, mga pwedeng gawing armas tong mga to, kaya bawal sa loob ng eroplano.